G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, great to see you all again. So I've been asked a number of questions about treated timbers and where else they can be used. I've shown you some videos on reusing them in stairs. I've shown you some footage of them being reused in a porch where they've had termites come in and repelling those termites. And today what I've got for you is a pergola that has got poor drainage and the timber's been soaking up the water. We've got moss growing on it, and the timber itself we can crush with our hands. So come and check it out. Here we've got the corner of the pergola, and look at this. Dust, absolutely nothing left. There's no body. Look at that. And it's not just one way. And look at all this moss that's growing on it. Now, that there is a main piece of timber for a pergola. So it's got weight coming down onto it, but the corner of it is completely structurally unsound. Directly underneath is this post coming down here, and look at the damage. So what's happening is the gutter up here is obviously not draining properly down the other way, and the water's overflowing and it's coming into these timbers and down that post. So here you can see a bracket pulling out of the timber. The nail is actually loose itself, plus the brackets come off. The nail here is rusted all the way through, and I can pull that away from there, which means the nail's actually not holding anything. The bracket's coming out because this is actually rotted all the way through. So you can see how timber that's rotting or not treated in a place where it's rotting, or termite damage even, can then become structurally unsound. So that's another reason that we ensure that we use treated timbers on outside pergolas, decking area and things like that. If you've recently watched the news, there was an entire veranda that fell and a number of people died when it collapsed, and that's because timbers like this have been used underneath decking areas that haven't been treated, and the environment has got into it. Eventually the moisture gets into it and it eats it away, eats that structure, eats the density of the timber, and the timber becomes balsa wood and falls apart. Any brackets or anything that are holding it together, they all start to pull out and fall off, and then there's nothing left. If you've got any other questions or queries about treated timbers and what timbers to be using and where to be using it, flick me a line and I'll try and answer them for you best I can when I can. Thanks for watching, and like always, stay unreal banana peel, and I'll see you in the soup.